How to put Nintendo Switch Fortnite account on PS5. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we will guide you an easy way on how we can put our Fortnite on our PS5. So let's just go ahead and look out on how we can do that. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe icon and also turn on the notification bell to get updated about our latest videos. First of all, head over to your laptop or PC and you need to open up Epic Games on your browser. After that, you need to log in into your account using your email address and your username and your password. After you have successfully logged in into Epic Games, you're gonna go ahead and click on your profile and you're gonna click on account and locate the account settings. After you have successfully reached on your account settings, on your left side of your account settings, you can find different options available. We're gonna go ahead and navigate apps and accounts, where we will be finding all of the details of the apps and accounts that are linked with our Epic Games. Since we need a Nintendo Switch and PlayStation, make sure you have connected your PlayStation and Nintendo Switch in your Epic Games and just go ahead and do that. After that, in order to make your Fortnite available in your PlayStation, just go ahead and click on PlayStation and go ahead and connect it. Just confirm the connect and you will be taken to this page. So you're gonna go ahead and connect your account right there, sign in with your email address, tap on next, go on with the process, and then your Nintendo Switch Fortnite should be connected to your PlayStation. Just go ahead and do that, confirm it, and that should basically do it. So that is how you do it. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.